Welcome to the HydroNeo Customer Guide. This quick guide will walk you through setting up your HydroNeo IoT system so you can start monitoring your pond's water quality right away and automate your motors. The essential set comes with everything you need to get started: the HydroNeo Mini Controller itself, a Wi-Fi antenna and a GSM antenna, the optical dissolved oxygen sensor, or DO, and a 15-meter DO sensor cable, the power supply box, the mini controller power cable, and the power socket cable, and cable ties for easy installation and organizing. If you ordered optional add-ons, like the pH sensor, feed level sensor and microclimate sensor, be sure to keep those handy too. Step 1. Install the antennas. Twist the Wi-Fi and GSM antennas onto the ports on the mini controller, following the matching icons. If you have the Mini Controller Pro, the GSM antenna will be larger. Step 2. Choose the right location. Placement is key for accuracy, durability, and easy maintenance. We recommend installing the mini controller in a convenient location so that the sensors can be placed in an accessible spot that represents the overall water conditions. Install the device near the pond, ideally on a sturdy structure such as a bridge or a secured platform. Choose a location with optimal water flow that remains easily accessible for routine operation and maintenance. For best durability and to easily read the display, always install the controller in a shaded and somewhat weather-protected area. Ensure the location has stable Wi-Fi or mobile network coverage for constant internet connectivity. An elevated position of the antenna usually enables better GSM, Wi-Fi connectivity. Option A. Use the pole mount bracket and included reusable cable ties for a quick and easy setup on a pole. This method is recommended if you plan to move the mini controller between ponds sometimes. Option B. You can secure it to a wall using screws. Just open the front caps to access the mounting holes. Remember to ensure the mini controller is oriented with the up arrows pointing up. Avoid these locations. Do not install near heavy electric wiring to prevent electromagnetic interference. Keep the power supply box also in some distance to the antenna to not interfere with the signal. Also, avoid metal boxes or metal roofs, which can block your Wi-Fi or GSM signals. Attaching the sensors. Step 3. Connect the sensor. Take your dissolved oxygen sensor cable and align the white dots on the plug and the port. Gently push the plug into the port until it is seated. Then, tighten the locking ring securely. This ensures a waterproof seal. Next, connect the dissolved oxygen sensor cable to the DO sensor. And place it near the mini controller. We will place it in the water later. To prevent water leaks, check the DO sensor cable and make sure it is screwed on tightly. Step 4. Connect power. Connect the power supply box with its cables and attach it to the mini controller. Place the sensor in flowing water to reflect the pond's overall water quality. Position it approximately 50 centimeters above the pond bottom to avoid sediment and surface interference. Fix it securely to a pole to keep it steady. Install on a bridge or platform for easy access and better stability. Avoid installing in stagnant water, at pond edges, or areas near aerators, as turbulence and bubbles affect measurement accuracy. Don't let the sensor dangle on its cable, as this may cause the connector to loosen over time and lead to water leakage, physical damage, or inaccurate readings. Organizing cables. Use conduits or cable ties to properly secure and protect all cables. Avoid sharp bends that can cause cables to break and keep them out of foot and vehicle traffic paths to prevent physical damage. Step 5. Plug in and power up. Connect the power cable to your electrical outlet. Your electrical outlet must have a neutral and ground wire for safe system operations and to avoid potential damage. Now, turn on the mini controller. Press and hold the power button for 8 seconds. You will first see the background light switch on, while the mini controller is starting. 8 seconds press is a safety feature to avoid unwanted off-on switching of the mini controller. Step 6. Prepare the sensor. Remove the black plastic cover from the sensor by gently pulling it off. Be careful not to accidentally unscrew the sensor cap, as this will lead to water leaks and sensor damage. Make sure it is still tightly screwed. Ensure the DO sensor cable is tightly secured to prevent water leakage. Before placing the sensor in the water, you must calibrate it. Please follow the separate sensor calibration guidelines for this essential step. After calibration, place the sensor into the water, following the placement recommendations we just reviewed. Step 7. To sign in to HydroNeo app, download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. To download the app, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, type HydroNeo, and then press the Install button. Open the app, sign in with your mobile phone number, and you can start monitoring your farm. Step 8. Link your mini controller to the app. After installing the app and created the account, you can link mini controller to the app by scanning QR code on mini controller. Assign your pond to the mini controller and you are ready to monitor the pond right away. It may take up to 5 minutes for the sensor values to fully display, depending on your location and internet connectivity. Scan this QR code or go to hydroneo.net/resources to explore our customer help and tutorial page, which includes useful information, tutorials, and videos. Need support? If you run into any issues during installation, we're here to help. Open the HydroNeo app, go to More, and then click Support. From there, you can create a new ticket to get help from our customer support team. We are also happy to assist via our support hotline. Thank you for choosing HydroNeo Smart Aquaculture. Enjoy simpler, smarter farming.